Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm in Rome, Italy, and I think I found the smallest car in the world, guys. This car is like mini car. So I was just walking around the streets and spotted this car at the corner of my eye because of the color, and just want to share it with you. Check it out, guys. Is this the smallest car in the world or what? I think it's called a Kitty. A little two-seater. It is 100% electric. But this car is literally I think the smallest car I ever seen. It looks like it's from Guglielmini Cars. Hope I said that right. But it looks like we have one of the smallest little cars. One wiper, two-seater, electric, called the Kitty. Cute little steering wheel cover, little headrest covers, seat cover. That's all you need in Rome with these little cars. Little rear spoiler, little trunk in the back, little trunk, with storage. I mean, this would be perfect for me in New York. Just wonder how fast it goes. I mean, literally, this scooter is actually bigger than the car. Pretty amazing. Get in on it. Electric cars are awesome. A lot of electric cars here in Italy. But there you go, guys. A little Kitty. So, guys, like and share this video. There's a little electric car called the Kitty. Jerry Metalman Battaglia in Rome, Italy. Looking for more cars. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great, awesome weekend. Bye-bye. Check out my other videos. Like and share this video.